In this video we will show you how to create a reference line to highlight the top 5 countries in your bar chart. Let's begin by adding a bar chart to your sheet and selecting the dimension country. Next, add your measure, which in our case is the sum of sales. Now let's add a reference line. Navigate to Add-ons and expand the dimension reference line. Click the Add Reference Line button. Label the reference line as Top 5. We'll also use a set analysis expression to filter the data. The expression will return the unique value of the country field where the sum of sales ranks 5th among all countries. In our dataset, for instance, Ireland ranks 5th, so the reference line will reflect this result. You can choose to hide the country name by unchecking the Show Value option. Then, align the reference line at the end. This way, the reference line will comprehend the first 5 countries. This setup ensures that the reference line dynamically adjusts based on the sum of sales. Lastly, you can customize the color of the reference line to enhance visibility and enable the color background option to highlight the title. And here you have the result. We have now created a bar chart with a reference line highlighting the top 5 countries. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.